Hi, I'm Chip Wade and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about storm prep and some of the best tools to prepare before, during, and after the storm. I picked some of my favorites. Let's start with prepping before the storm. RYOBI has all kinds of products that make it easy, and an ounce of prevention goes a long way. Let's talk pole saws. Both the 40-volt platform and the 1 Plus platform in the 10-inch and the 8-inch makes clearing branches, overhung limbs, whether they're dead or alive, that could actually come down during high winds and a storm. Again, get ahead of that. It makes it super easy. Now, oftentimes when you're prepping for a storm, power may have already gone out, so having plenty of batteries on charge, ready to work is really important. Again, an ounce of prevention goes a really long way. We've got the 1 Plus 6-port supercharger. This holds 6 18-volt batteries, has indicator lights, and keeps them topped off so you're always ready to go. Next up, we've got the 1 Plus HP 2-piece toolkit, the drill driver, and the impact. This is, of course, a universally awesome set of tools to have around year-round, but this is going to help you secure your house quickly, whether you're trying to board up doors and windows for impending wind and floods. These are going to get the job done. Now, some accessories that go with the drill driver and impact is the wing nut bolt and driver. This is an awesome accessory to quickly be able to fasten and untighten nuts, eyelets, and wing nuts. Again, great for boarding up windows and doors. And of course, we've got the drill driver bit accessory set. This has all of your different tips to allow you to use an assortment of different fasteners to get you secure quick. During the storm, it's so important to have tools that you can access and set up quickly. Let's start with the 40-volt 1800-watt power station. This thing is really powerful, powerful enough to power lights, small electronics, even a refrigerator. You can actually put 2 of these together with a parallel kit for twice the power and monitor it effortlessly with the Gen Control app. Now, because this is battery powered, you can use it indoors and not worry about any carbon monoxide. Now, of course, RYOBI has a line of gas-powered generators as well. Moving forward to even more portability, we've got the power sources in the 40-volt platform as well as the 1 Plus with 120-volt outlets as well as USB ports, just to keep you powered and have it really convenient. Now, during the storm, being illuminated and seeing what you're doing is incredibly important. RYOBI has all kinds of lighting solutions for whatever needs you have. Whether you're checking out a control panel or just having to go get something for your kids, having lighting available is going to keep you safe during the storm. And again, because these are battery powered, you can keep changing them out to keep illuminated all day or all night long. During the storm, having a fan is also really important, keeping you cool, keeping you ventilated, and whether they're battery powered or, like these larger models, able to actually plug it into an extension cord, you're never gonna run out of juice. And this is great, again, during the storm or convenient all year long. Having a compact radio is really convenient, not only to keep you entertained, but keep you up to date on storm updates, even when the power's out. It even has a convenient charging port on the side to keep your electronics right at your fingertips. Finally, we've got a transfer pump. During storms, flooding is very, very likely. Anytime there's standing water, a transfer pump allows you to pump that water away, keeping your space from flooding. If you have a basement, this tool is essential. All right, after the storm, cleanup is a top priority, even if you've lost power to your home. RYOBI has a couple of wet-dry vacs that are cordless. They're compact in size, making them really convenient to move around. These are great for cleaning up debris or water anywhere. Next up, we've got the Easy Clean Power Cleaners. These things are ultimately versatile. You can see how compact they are. They fit easily in your hand. The versatility comes with the fact that you can plug a water hose directly into it, and even if you don't have access to water, it comes with a 20-foot siphon hose, so you can use it regardless. All right, outdoor cleanup can be a bear, but with battery-powered chainsaws from RYOBI and both the 40-volt variety and the 1 Plus, they have you covered. These things power through quickly and make the job as safe as possible. Now, a lot of people don't realize that a reciprocating saw is one of the most useful cleanup tools. It's not just for construction. Put a coarse wood cutting blade on there, you're gonna be able to power through branches, limbs, and debris, get that yard cleaned up really quickly. Now, the 1+ HP model, this one's new, it has 64% more power than previous models, advanced electronics. This thing will not disappoint, and a really impressive tool. Last, but certainly not least, RYOBI has come out with solar panels. So even if your power's not back on, you can get your 14-watt or your 21-watt model, and it's going to help you charge any USB device to keep you connected no matter what. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay prepared and stay safe. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Tuesday Tips. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, new product announcements, DIY projects, and more. In the comments below, let us know what topic you'd like to hear about next. We'll see you next episode.